Okay, all right. So what are we doing today? I'm going to skip the house rules because you all know them so well. And you also are great in class. The only thing I ask is if you can wear your halos and hats and things, but don't wear the sunglasses, Emma, please. Yeah, I need to see your great eyes. Yeah, please. Take the sunglasses off. But halos and hats are fine. Okay, we're going to be doing grammar, MCQs, the vocabulary cloze, and the composition. Have you all done your work? Yes? Have you all done your preparation and notes? Okay, that's great. So we can run smoothly and we can spend some more time having fun later. Okay, let's go through these first. Up front, Janelle, what did you have for this answer?
Did.
Yes. Okay, how do you know it's did? That seems like a funny thing to have did in a sentence, not in a question.
Because Adam insisted as ed, which meaning is past tense, so it cannot be do.
Okay, good answer. What happens is we use did when we want to emphasize. So Adam is insisting. So somebody said to Adam, you didn't pass the message to her. And he said, I did pass the message to her. So he's emphasizing he did something. Okay, that's when we use did. So normally he would say, I passed her the message just now. Okay, but when we want to make it very big, we say, I did pass her the message. You should not accuse me of not passing the message. That's not right. That's not fair. So you can put this in a sentence to emphasize. Yes. So I don't know if you remember about Cinderella, but Cinderella said, you know, I will go to the ball. I will go to the ball, she said. Okay. Emmett, can you do number 2, please? D. D? Did you say D, Emmett?
Yes. D for don't
Okay, but look at this part here. Look at this part here. Does will fit with going? Can you check again? I don't think it's D, right? C. C is correct. Yes. Great. Thank you. Thanks, Emmett. Yes. C is correct. Lavanya.
Does.
Yes. Why do we put does in this sentence? Because it's normally okay to say likes.
Because her elder sister is singular. Singular, yeah.
Yes. So
and she do like singing.
Yeah, she does like singing. So it's like the other one we saw just now. I did pass her the message just now. You're emphasizing that you've done something. And in this one, my elder sister does like singing, you know, is saying maybe she doesn't like singing. That's why she doesn't have classes. And you say she does like singing. So it's like you're contradicting somebody else when you use does and did, diz and dad. Does and did. That's when you are contradicting someone. I do like, yeah. So Lavanya, I don't think you like ice cream.
I like ice cream, but my mother doesn't allow me to eat it often.
Ah, okay. All right. So you can say, I said to you, you don't like ice cream, but that's wrong. So you can correct me and say, I do like. So what you said before is right. I do like ice cream, but there are, I don't get it very often, right? Yes. Okay. So this is an example where you can use do to emphasize and to correct somebody when they're wrong. Okay. So you love ice cream. Yes. What's your flavor, Avanya? What's your flavor?
Vanilla or fruit, yeah.
Yes, okay. I like vanilla too. Everybody else like vanilla? Any other flavors?
That's why I like chocolate, but then now probably very sweet. Right?
Chocolate chip.
chocolate chip, chocolate, vanilla. Any other flavors? Anybody here
Mint
like durian ice
chocolate.
cream?
Durian.
Durian ice cream, anyone?
Mango. I love the mango.
Mango
Ice cream.
ice cream. That's heaven. Okay, so if I have to choose, I would go for vanilla, but I think mango sounds great too. I'm not a big fan of chocolate, sorry, so I wouldn't go for that. But I know that's a pretty popular flavor. And just recently, I went to an ice cream parlor, and they had, I'm sure, 100 flavors. It was just crazy. Okay, Wei Hong, please don't draw on the screen until I say so. Wei Hong, can you do this one? Could you unmute yourself?
C.
C. Yes. C. Correct. So C, because we are using present perfect, has been removed. Present perfect passive has been removed. Yes, somebody removed the ladder by the workers. That's the passive voice. Yes, well done. Okay, number 5. We're back to Janelle. We
Must not D.
must not be rude to older people. Exactly. We must not be rude to older people. Yes, very important. Okay, Lavanya's giving me more details on ice cream. Let's move on from ice cream, Lavanya. Bubble gum is too much. Okay, thank you. So must is the correct answer. Thanks, Janelle. Emmet. Oh, okay. Emmet, you're next after this one. So we got our answers there. Let's move on to vocabulary close. And Emmet will be first. There are 6 blanks, numbered 6 to 11. From the list of words given, choose the most suitable of each blank. So I think you all find this quite easy. There's no difficulty here. Ooh, actually, there is quite a lot of difficulty. Okay, so for this one, I need to... let's look at the words anxious, bitter, disappointed, and these different phrases. So I'm going to put them in the chat. All right, so this first one, anxious, because I need to see your faces in a minute. Bitter. What's the next one? Disappointed. Distraught. Elated. Embarrassed. Guilty. And can't see that one. What's that one? Relaxed. Okay. Right, so I'm going to stop sharing, and you can see the words in the chat. I want you to prepare to make a face, and we've got to guess whether you are anxious, bitter, disappointed, distraught, elated, embarrassed, guilty, or relaxed. Okay? All right, so I'm going to start, and you have to guess what, wait, I'm going to stop sharing so I can see everybody. What face am I making? Guess.
Disappointment.
Disappointed. Well done. Yes, that's right. It's okay. Wei Hong, it's your turn. Can you make a face? We have to guess. Are you anxious, bitter, disappointed, distraught, elated, embarrassed, guilty, or relaxed? Have a look at him. Okay, make your face, Wei Hong. Oh, guess. Lavanya. Relaxed, yes. Relaxed, is that correct, Wei Hong? That was quite easy to guess. Yeah, you really did a good relax. Lavanya, your turn. Make a guess. What's her face telling? Oh, okay. Oh, you've got to do the whole face. You can't smile and bite your nails. Come on, make the whole expression. You look happy and you're biting your nails. Yes, Janelle, what's the matter? What's she doing? It's a mix of things, isn't it? Embarrassed. Are you embarrassed? Anxious? Yeah, because your nail biting looks anxious, but your eyes look embarrassed. So what is it? It's a mixture of the two. Yes. Okay. Emmet, can you put your camera down a little bit so we can see you? I can't see your face. Okay. Right. Can you stand up? Yeah, yeah. Okay, right, great. Okay, now make a facial expression. Let's see if we can guess your facial expression. Okay, can you guess Emmet's expression?
Excited.
We didn't have excited. So what other word is like excited?
What's elate?
Elated. Elated. Are you elated, Emmet? Yes, you're elated. Elation is like joy, isn't it? I feel joyful. Yes. Or excited. Yeah, you feel kind of excited. Very similar. Well done, everyone. Great. So that's a kind of mime that we were doing just there. That's really helpful. And this should help us answer. So Emmet, back to you. What is number 6? We were all feeling what, Emmet?
Anxious.
Anxious. Thank you. Anxious. And number 7 will be Lavanya. Lavanya? Number 7? What's number 7? Can you unmute? Okay. The rest of us were not as relaxed. Are you sure? How do you know he was relaxed?
Well, because he was like calm.
Yes. Right. So he was swinging on the monkey bars. Like he really doesn't care about exams results. Yeah. Okay. Great. Thank you very much. Wei Hong, number 8. It's not fair. It's not fair. B, bitter. Yes. He was feeling bitter. Yes. Well done. Thank you. Okay, Janelle, can you read the whole page for us, please?
During lunchtime, the 4 of us gathered in the playground like always, except this time. No one except Mike was interested in playing. We were all feeling anxious about getting our science examination results. Hey, what's the point of worrying? He chirped while swinging from one of the monkey bars. The rest of us was not as relaxed as he was. It's not fair. The question paper was tougher than before. Whined Timothy. He was, as usual, feeling bitter. It was never his fault when things went wrong.
Oh, thank you, Janelle. That was beautifully read. That was beautifully read. So remember that when we've got the ED, we have different pronunciations. So with this one, gathered, it ends in a vowel, gather. So this sounds like d, gathered. Yeah, if you just say d at the end, gathered. Yes. You did very well with the next one, which was the next ED. Interested, you said correctly. Chirped, you also said chirped correctly. And notice that this one, because it ends in p, the ed sounds like t, chirped. So you said that very nicely. You also said relaxed well. Relaxed is also a t sound. The ed sounds like t. So well done for doing those. And this last one, whined. Okay, it's not wind, but it's whined. Yes. Yeah, it's not fair. That's that kind of whining voice. Yes, someone making a fuss about something. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Okay, all right. So where are we now? Wei Hong, could you also give us number 9, please?